Added more depth to the skills-based approach do the onboarding process. If a new user, a learner, or worker starts using the app, how do they get started? Well, they want to start to add skills into their skill set, and this is defined in the book. The top menu could be a student, training, a job seeker, explorer, or parser. Here I'm looking at the job seeker. I entered in the job and returned a list of skills recommended for that job. I can then begin to add the skills into my skill set and choose what stages to work on. Here I'm adding a personality profile. I'm just using Myers-Briggs and it returns a result. These are kind of the multi-personal skills that might not get picked up from the job seeker skills. So this kind of adds more depth to my skill set based on my personality. And the parser is based on the skills parser, www.skillsparser.com. You can basically add anything to that. Now here's the return. I get a list of skills and I can start working through the stages and the actions related to the skills based on how I, assign those to the stages. If I missed a skill, I can add that here and I can start adding and it'll suggest the skill and I choose what stages I want to work on. I can do as many skills as I want. I can even do skills that might be a little bit out of there, like graphic design, not necessarily be related to web development. Once I do that, I can take the next step, which is actually to think about the track, how I might, learn these skills in a specific kind of, set of courses or tasks. It could be time based or it could be on competency based. And so I just start adding the skills, and you can see the skills are already there, and I could just start to add them and then work on the skills for that track. So this kind of sets up the onboarding. This, gets the learner worker started. Once I'm done, I can choose not to look at the onboard. I can choose not to do, the search for query the labels if that's not set for me yet. Now, when I log in again, it's really quick. It comes up really quick because I turned off the onboarding, and I can start just using the app for what its intended uses are. Now, if I log on online, this is part of the skills labels. That's an important part of this. And here I can see, there it is. There's my backup of all my skills that I started so far. So give this a look, www.skillsbasedapproach.com. You can download the app at comp.skillsbasedapproach at Google Play.